Hello everyone, this is a demo for the new authentication flow that we're working on for our Conva application. This new design allows us to easily introduce new login methods and also let our customers integrate their own identity providers into our auth system. This is how our current design looks. This setup only supports username password logins at the moment. Let's talk a little bit about how our new setup is going to work. Now, just by looking at the concept, you can see we're working with a completely new UI design, which is much more cleaner and user-friendly. We are also optimizing it for adding new login methods on the go and hence using the identifier first approach. We use email as the identifier for selecting which identity provider we want to authenticate the user against and then proceed to the next step in the flow. At the moment, we are working on integrating SAML with our with our login flow along with our standard username password login. Now let's see this flow in action. As you can see, instead of authenticating the user against our auth DB, we sign in through Google, which authenticates the user against our customer's IDP. So yeah, that's how our new authentication flow works.